What's up everybody, it's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2014 Honda Ruckus. We'll take a quick walk around this thing so you guys can see what this thing is looking like up close. This thing has some interesting modifications, so if you're interested in this particular bike, I would urge you to stick around for the whole video. As far as the tires go, tires are fine, nothing crazy. Got your license plate mount, got your rear shock, even got the K&N breather on there if you really want that for the extra performance that this little baby could get. Have your exhaust there, looks like the factory exhaust. Looks like there was something like on there. I'm not super familiar with the Ruckuses, so I'm not sure what that would have been, but it looks like they cut it off and did a mediocre job at best. Spin it around. Got the Ruckus on the on this little side panel here, you can see that. Kind of see the whole motor in there. I would imagine that this seat had some kind of cover on it. Now it's just foam. These strips look like they might have been tape at one time holding this thing on. So that's something to know if you're interested in this bike. Got these like interesting like foot peg things going on here. They're like white plastic. They're on both sides. This one's not loose though. That's probably good, but it's not loose. And then you have your fuel tank down here with the fuel cap. This one does have the Hoonigan sticker included at no extra cost to you. As you can see, there's kind of like some exposed wire stuff going on, coming all the way up here to the front, and including here like under the handlebars. You can see like this is a light. It's just hanging. It's the way I got it with the ignition and the switch and the start switch. Look at that here in a minute. This does have the LED headlight thing going on there. That's kind of a cool upgrade if nothing else. There's your front wheel is blacked out like the back wheel. There's your front tire. Got your tiny little forks there. Almost hilariously small. And of course you got your brake line there. Kind of more of the same on this side. It does look like this front piece was broken. So know that. Other than that, you know, there's your foot peg. Got your bar and mirror there. Got your little transmission going on. As far as starting this thing though, it is a little bit interesting. So you turn the key on, you have to push this switch down. Actually you have to hold the brake and you push this metal button. Fires right up. Good to go. There's the brake lights there in the back. Headlight. I'm not going to be able to give this thing a lot of gas because it is automatic, but that is that. And then to turn it off, you actually have to flick this switch up. And I'll leave it down. Turn the key off, doesn't change. Switch up. There you go, it turns off. It does have this like little like display gauge. I think it's just like a little GPS. I actually could not get it to come on. I was pressing and holding the button. It looks almost like an old phone. So there's that. But if you're interested in a Ruckus, we have one. It's a 2014 with some interesting modifications. But don't miss out on this bike. I'm sure there'll be a test drive up. Make sure you check that out if you're interested in this bike. And thanks so much for watching.